everyone, we have stopped for breakfast over here at a small hotel. It's right in Ramnagara, which is where Sholay was shot, and this is the bus behind me in which we are traveling. It's a huge bus. So we are around 50 girls today, and it's a Sunday, and this is the hotel right behind me. It's called Hotel Ramgarh, and we're gonna go and have breakfast now, and the day has started. It's around 8:45 right now, and we're gonna have breakfast and I'll keep you guys updated. So let's go and have breakfast. I had started my day at 6:30 in the morning from Whitefield. We traveled to Majestic where we got the bus with Hippie Holidays, and we were going to Talakadu and Shiv Samudra waterfalls. It was around 150 kilometers from Bangalore. The weather was really pleasant that day, which made the whole journey a lot more fun. I was also traveling with Parita and Krishna, who are my friends from Manipal. On reaching Talakadu sandy beach, you will see a lot of small restaurants as well as fruit vendors and souvenir vendors. We were heading towards the river to take a coracle ride, and it was going to be my first experience at a coracle ride. How are you feeling? We're in this coracle ride in Kaveri River right now.
Kaveri Kapila.
Yeah, Kaveri Kapila River, and it's so pretty. But there are a lot of people here actually, so this is supposed to be like very famous, I guess. And there's a lot of people. It's really cloudy, so the weather is great, and this is the person who is helping us the coracle ride over here, and it's really great. Let me turn the camera around and show it to you guys. We had reached Talakadu at around 11:30 and had restricted time to explore the place, so we did not really see the temple, but I will insert a picture after this so that you guys can see the temple that is at Talakadu, and you should definitely go and check it out if you are planning to visit here. We were enjoying the coracle ride, after which we decided to have some fruits as we had got hungry. They were really fresh fruits, and I decided to go for some pineapple, and it was really sweet and nice, and they had added some masala to make it tangy. So we decided to have some pineapple and just enjoy while we were waiting for the other members to join us back and continue the rest of our trip. We are having these fresh pineapples here, and Parita is going to have some tea. So these are some of the girls on the trip. Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Orku. Hi. I'm Sneha. Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you guys.
Same here.
On my previous one-day trip, I had gone to Chunchi Falls, but compared to the journey on that day, I would definitely say that the journey towards Shivasamudra is more picturesque, especially if it has rained, and you should definitely go in the monsoon season. We've been waiting here for almost an hour. There was no tables available, and the service is really bad. I don't think we should have stopped here at all for lunch. We might have well skipped it because like the tables are not cleaned. We had to literally go to the kitchen to give our order. we're not even hungry at this point. So yeah, the view is great, but the service is not. I don't like. We didn't have any menu options only. It was just like, just take the paneer sabzi and roti, because there are no starters, there are no coffee, there's no nothing basically. So I don't really think this hippie holidays should have put this place as a place to stop for lunch, because there is no service, and obviously they would know like what kind of things to expect here, since they are planning all these trips here. So yeah, I really would give that as a feedback, not to come to this restaurant especially, because you are not going to get any lunch whatsoever. We reached the waterfall at 4:30 in the evening because there was a delay in lunch, and got only 10 to 15 minutes to spend at the waterfall. I would have really liked having more time here. Plus it was really crowded, so we didn't really see the point of having more time, and I would really recommend going to the waterfall in the morning so that it's less crowded. And yeah, so this is the waterfall right behind me. The good thing, however, was that since it was a monsoon, the waterfall was at full glory and it was really pretty, but there was a lot of people. Then we started our return journey back around 6 o'clock, and I reached Whitefield at almost 11 p.m. due to the traffic entering the city. But overall it was a great day and I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment and subscribe. Bye till next time.